Here's how you can add affiliate links to TikTok. So adding affiliate links to TikTok is very easy and simple. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step method on how you can do this. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So I'm going to walk you through every single step. So make sure you don't skip any parts or you can miss the important info and you would unfortunately miss out on everything. So I would suggest you to watch this video till the end. So first of all, you have to make your own TikTok account and do the procedure. But after making your TikTok account and doing all these procedures, so how do you add affiliate links? So there are basically a lot of like link adding websites, just like JVZoo, Rakuten Marketing, Skillshare, Avangate, Market Health, eBay Partner Network, Share Al, Amazon Associates, CJ Affiliate, Udemy, or ClickBank. So there are many options for you. So select whatever you want. But in this video, I'm gonna explain this video by ClickBank, and it's the easiest one, I think. So let's just jump into it. So first of all, go to ClickBank, search up ClickBank. So when you search up ClickBank, just go to this first link and it will bring you here. So what you have to do after that is go to start here, and it will show you this survey type of thing. So it's telling me, let's customize your ClickBank experience. Please select the primary reason you're signing up for an account below or skip this quick start guide. So you can either skip this quick start guide, or it can help you like give you the best experience. So what are the options? I'm all new to this and I'm not sure what to start. I want to promote ClickBank products as an affiliate. I'm gonna select this, but yeah. So awesome. Let's make sure you get started promoting ClickBank products in the best way possible. In order to do this, so we would like to learn a little bit more about your experience. So yeah, sounds good. Do you have experience promoting offers as an affiliate? So most of the people won't have any experience. So I would suggest clicking on no, I'm just getting started. Just click on it and press OK. So what is the biggest factor motivating you to explore affiliate marketing? So quit my day job and be my own boss. So you can choose anything, but click on extra income, because this is most of people's motivation. So now we got, do you currently have traffic or an audience to promote? So yes, I have. If you got like consistent traffic source on your TikTok or any other social media, so yeah, this video is for TikTok. But if you got like traffic, you got like thousands of views on your per video, like every video. So I would suggest clicking on this one. And if you don't, just click on this. All right. So this is telling me how do you plan on generating traffic. So yeah, TikTok. So yeah, after that, select all ClickBank tools you would be interested in using. So I don't know which one to select. I'm just gonna go for none, cause we don't want any tools. None and email marketing. All right. So which best describes you? Selected none. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know any of these tools are. Through a friend, my friend told me. All right. And after that, you have to put in your email address to use this account. So I'm just gonna put in my email address. There we go. Submit. I said dot. All right. So it's telling me based on your answer if you want to earn your first result in 90 days. No, I'm just gonna skip these. Skip this, bro. Alright, so I'm just gonna press start here. So we did the survey. Now we're just gonna log in. Alright, skip this quick start guide.
Too late. Your response to it.
So after doing your survey, it will bring you here. So as all can see, you have to give your information just like this, and let's search in my country if it's available. Unfortunately, my country is not available in it, so I can't make any accounts, but you have to give your first name, last name, and your phone number, your email address, and your password. When you're done logging in, just continue to terms and condition and join ClickBank. Why do you join ClickBank? So let's just jump into another one. When you're on ClickBank, you just have to go to affiliates and you'll go to marketing. When you just get this option, so you'll get ClickBank affiliate marketing option. As all can see, let's see if it can show me the marketplace.
On my mother's beam, and if you do it, you see what I'm. So get that sheep of done stuff.
I'm gonna put my name. I can't do marketplace, but let me explain. I'll try to explain how a marketplace looks like, cause I can log in, cause this is not. But yeah, there we have it. Accessing the ClickBank marketplace. When you log in into your account, as you can see in this picture, it's showing affiliate marketplace. So just click on marketplace, and as you can see, it's on the top. And when you click on it, you'll basically see like these one-step promotions, the kind of thing. As you can see, these promotions, it will show you all your profits and stuff like that. Just click on promote, and it will give you the link. It will give you your account name. You just have to put in your TikTok account name and create your hop link. When you do this, it will give you a long link. So you have to shorten your link for the next process. So when they give you the link, just go back and go to Linktree. So Linktree is basically your affiliate marketplace manager that will bring customers from your TikTok to their page, and it will help you go to their link and make you earn money. So just sign up for free. Click on sign up.
Yeah, done.
Just sign up. Signing in is very easy and simple.
All day down here is this anomaly.
So yeah, there, as y'all can see, it's telling me to give it their link. So you have to give it the link that you got from their ClickBank. When you do this and continue, press on continue, it will ask you. It will ask you for your thingy for short it. So let me make sure. I'm just gonna make my account.
This stuff.
There we go. Let's just wait, and I'm just gonna pick up the free, or you can just do whatever you want. Join for free and continue. So you can change your appearance whenever you want. So as you can see, that's mostly the links that you see from the TikTok bios that you click on. So just gonna pick a random one, continue. So when you're done doing this setting, and you're done setting this up, I'm just gonna wait until it's set it up. But yeah, when you set it up, as you can see, into your username or a URL. So as you can see, you have to put in the username, and just like that, it will ask you to shorten the link. So I already have the solution. As you can see, you have to go to Bitly and shorten a long link. You just have to paste that link and domain Bitly, and after that, just sign up and get your link. Pressing that. After that, just copy the short link and go to Linktree again and paste it and get your continue and press it, and after that, just go to your TikTok and put that link in your bio, and there you have it. You've successfully added your affiliate link, and you can earn money from it. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can add affiliate link to TikTok. And yeah, I hope I helped you guys out. So subscribe to my channel, and peace out.